Welcome children. In the last class we are studying about three-dimensional shape or solid shapes. Today also we are continuing the same topic, solid figures or 3D shapes. The last class we discussed about two shapes. Which all are they? Cube and cuboid. The other shapes we will discuss now. Look at the board. The third solid shape we are going to study, the third shape, that is cylinder. What is the spelling of cylinder? C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. Look at the shape children. This is the picture of a cylinder. Did you see this cylinder shape at your home or in your surroundings? Anywhere did you see this shape, 3D shape cylinder? Everybody have the cooking gas cylinder at your home. It's a cylinder shape. We are saying that gas cylinder. Is it children? And look here, the another example. It's a log. After cutting the branches and roots, that tree is here. We will call the name log. It's also a good example for cylinder shape. So cylinder is this shape. This is also a 3D solid shape, and the examples are gas cylinder is a good example, and the wooden log is also a good example, and many other. Did you see some big candles? Thick candles are in this same shape, the cylinder shape, and many other examples are there in your surrounding. So find out some more examples of cylinders and write down in a paper. Okay. Now the next shape is cone. C-O-N-E, cone. Look at the picture children. This is the shape of a cone. Now which all shapes, which all examples we can see in our surroundings? The first example everybody know, the birthday cap. The birthday cap is a very good example. It's in a cone shape. Is it children? And here the cone ice cream, the name itself we are saying cone ice cream because it is a cone shape. We are saying that it's a cone ice cream. So that is also a very good example for cone. Find more examples from your surroundings for this 3D solid shape. Okay. Now the last 3D shape we are going to study this year is sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Look at the picture. It's look like a ball. Is it children? It's look like a ball. So ball is the very good example for sphere. Here I show one example. It's a football, but not only football. All types of balls are the very good example for sphere. Okay. So which type of balls you can see at your surroundings? Cricket ball, basketball, football, tennis ball, all these balls, basketball, all these type of balls are a very good example for sphere. Don't make mistake. In 2D shape we will say circle, but here the 3D shape sphere. Sphere means another thing, not the circle. It's a fill thing. It's a 3D solid shape. So the ball is an example, and another example here given. What is this children? Did you see this? This is the model of earth. Its name is globe. We can say that this is a globe. It's a model of our earth. So it is also like a ball. It's a very good example for sphere. Okay. Now children, in the last class also we discussed for each and every solid or three-dimensional shapes have faces, edges and corners. Okay, so let's check for each and every shape one by one. We will discuss how many faces, how many edges and how many corners are there. Okay children. Now I will show you the model of these things. The first one, it's a cylinder. Can you see this cylinder? It's a cylinder. Now children, I told you the last class what is meant by the face. Face is the plane surface, is it? So how many faces are there for a cylinder? Look children, at the top here one face, is it? Now down two. So 1, 2. Now this is also a face where I am touching this cylinder. This is also a curved face. Okay. So how many faces are there for a cylinder? 3 faces are there. 1, 2 and 3. So the top one is a circular face. Here also again a circular face, and here a curved face. So altogether 3 faces are there for a cylinder. Now what about the edge? Edge means the meeting point of the face. So here children, look, this third face and first face, they are meeting here. So this is an edge, is it? And here also second and third are meeting. So this is also a edge. So here is a edge and here is also a edge. So there are 2 edges. Now what about the corner? Is there any corner for the cylinder? No. So 0 corners. So children, once again, for a cylinder there are 3 faces. 1, 2, 3 faces, 2 edges and 0 corners. Okay. So let's write here. For a cylinder there are 3 faces, 2 edges and 0 corners. Is it clear? Now we will go for the next shape, the next 3D solid shape we studied. Cone. You can see one cone here. Okay. So how many faces are there for a cone, children? Here there is a face, is it? One circular face here, and here this is the second face, this curved face. Okay. So there are 1, 2 faces are there for a cone. Now what about the edge? How many edges are there? This first and second faces are meeting here. So this is a edge. Okay children. So 2 faces and 1 edge for a cone. What about the corner at the top? Here look, this sharp end is a corner. So for a cone there are 2 faces, 1 edge and 1 corner. So for a cone shape there are 2 faces, 1 edge and 1 corner. Is it clear? Now the last and final shape is sphere. Okay children, sphere, I told you it's look like a ball. All types of balls are the example for sphere. Now children, look, how many faces are there for a sphere? Is there any face? Yes, only one face. I told you face means the plane surface. Here I am touching on the face. Without any face I can't touch this sphere. Okay, so this is the where I am touching. This one is its face. Okay, so a sphere has only one face. Only one face is there. So it can be possible to have any edge or corner. No, there is no edge and no corner. Okay, so for a sphere there is only one face, 0 edge and 0 corners. Sphere have only one face, 0 edge and 0 corner. Is it clear children? So all together we studied 5 solid shapes in this year. Second standard we are studying all together 5 solid shape. Which all are they? The last class we studied cube and cuboid, and today we studied cylinder, cone, sphere. So altogether 5 solid or 3D shapes we have to study, and you have to thorough with the faces, edges and corners of each and every shape, and you have to find out some examples also. Okay, so study the spellings properly and find out how many faces, edges and corners are there, and you have to study properly the spellings and faces, edges and corners. Okay children, that's all for today. We will see in the next class.